way back then?
Well, if we come back this way, we're going across here.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. If we could stop, is there a viewing place before we get there?
I don't know that there is, Dad.
It's a shame. Because that would be quite a shot. Information centre's there.
We're building a better Pensacola. As they said there.
Oh, and I've got it on my Dashcam, so we're good. I can go, I'll have to edit that tonight. Oh, yes, tonight, yeah. So what are we eating tonight?
Have we got anything in?
No. What are we going at tomorrow night, to say, down to Rosie O'Grady's?
Well, I wanted to go get a margarita at the Well. I cannot stop talking about it, and I need to take you there.
Okay.
That's downtown. So if we could go get some food downtown tomorrow night.
Yep. So what's the name of this bridge? This is that new one.
Is this the 3 Mile Bridge?
Not sure. Oh, this is the Pensacola Bay Bridge.
No.
Surprise, surprise, there isn't there?
Oh, one thing we have to do.
Yes.
We have to do this.
Go on.
This is going to be a day trip. The other way. So we got to go to Floribama, the bar that's on the thing. I've not been.
Okay.
Apparently, it's just any time of the day that you go, it's just hilarious. People are just drunk, but apparently it's a people watch spectacle.
Is that
it's
on
right?
that?
It's right on the thing.
Is that on the motorway up to where I'm going tomorrow?
No, it's down. It's on the coast. It's on Orange Beach Way.
Okay.
You're going up to Mobile. It's down, down past Perdido Key. It's called Floribama. We just got to go there, have a drink.
Look at that beautiful water. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's great. Good. It's open all day as well.
I believe so.
Look at that water. Beautiful.
It is. Yeah, this is a great town. You can imagine in the summer it's going to be so warm.
Wow.
It's hot and sticky up here.
Fabulous. And normally it'd be warmer than this time of year. It's just because of that cold snap. It's the most bizarre weather we've ever had, isn't it, I think?
Yeah.
California's on fire, the rest of the country's -6. It's snowing.
It was big news on the telly at breakfast this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
No big like it. At least it's still warmer than home for.
Massively warm.
Really?
Yeah.
They're like cord, but they're not, are they?
They're ribbed and they hide the cellulite.
They do what?
They're ribbed, they hide the cellulite. And I got them in the Black Friday sales. They were reduced from $80 to $25.
Wow.
Not a deal.
Yeah, they're nice.
I tried to get more colours because after they came, they were sold out.
I'm sure they did at that price.
I know.
This is the city of Gulf Breeze. What a lovely name for a city. Gulf Breeze.
Godfrey's.
Godfrey's? No.
What?
Gulf Breeze.
Like the
that's
Gulf,
better.
like the
It's like,
ocean.
what's so different about that?
Godfrey's.
Gulf.
Yeah, Gulf Breeze.